So we've had one plow come through, but as you can see, it is still coming down quite heavily. I think we're gonna wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna get dressed and get ready anyway, but we're gonna wait a little longer. Here comes someone doing the sidewalks. That's awesome. Or is he doing the road? I think he's doing the road. I think he's taking the place of our city plow guy. What an awesome neighbor.
Yeah.
Whoever that is out there.
Oh, there's a lot of people that go around.
That's awesome. But if he's only out doing the neighborhoods, how are the main roads? Yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit, guys. We're gonna wait a little bit. But I am gonna get dressed in anticipation of being able to get out. The storm is not supposed to let up until 10 or 11 this morning, and right now it's only 7:30. So, okay, so I got dressed. I got the van somewhat cleaned off. I got the driveway scraped enough that I'll be able to get out. The plows are still not coming through our area, but I'm hoping that they will at least be hitting the main roads. As you can see, it is still coming down like a lot, but we got to get out there. I'm itching. I'm absolutely itching to get out there. My concern is so here's the thing. If the bins, hold on. So if the bins are, I keep going to push glasses up, but I'm wearing my contacts today because of the snow. I learned my lesson last week. So if the bins had their lids shut, then they're going to be piled in like 2 feet of snow. Problem number one. If, even worse, they didn't have their lids shut, all the stuff inside is going to be piled in 2 feet of snow. So those are some of the problems that we face as we head out into this madness. It is madness. It really is that I'm even contemplating this. And beyond that, even preparing and psyching myself up and getting ready to go out and do this. That is madness. It really is, I admit. But it's also business. And if I had a regular 9-to-5 job and was scheduled to work today, of course I would get out there and scrape the snow and brave the roads to go to work. So is it really madness or just a really good work ethic? Ooh, all right, I am in the van, bundled up, psyching myself up, getting ready to get out on the road. If we can even get one good pick, I'm going to call that good. As far as heading up north to the Zurchers bin that has paid out so well the past couple weeks, it's not a priority. We're just going to see how it goes, and whatever we end up with, well, you'll see. And yeah, I'm just going to err on the side of caution. Although really, if I was doing that for real, I would have just stayed home. I'd be back in the house in my jams, but you know me, I can't do that. But besides that, from here on out, I am going to be cautious and careful, and it will probably be a long, slow day. But we'll have something. We'll have something to show, something that we will salvage. So let's do it. We're gonna have to see what's under the snow. The frame over there, it's probably got broken glass, but we'll see if we can grab it. And then the craft store bin. I have a feeling there's some goodies in here under all this snow, so I'm gonna have to get the rake and see what I can do. All right, so I wasn't able to get anything from the craft store bin. If there had been less snow and if it wasn't so cold, maybe I could have, but it just didn't look like there was anything worth fighting for. I did grab the frame from the dollar store bin and a bag of miscellaneous. It looked like it had some packages of like mini candy bars, some Mardi Gras beads, things like that. So we'll have to look and see what's in there. The frame that I found. Like I expected, the glass was shattered, but we can still salvage the frame. So that's awesome. All right, I think we are going to have to head north now, a little ways at least. Possibly get up to the Zurchers, or maybe that should just be our priority, is just to get up there and do that one. And then if we happen to do anything on the way back, then great. And if not, great. And yeah, I think that's the plan. I think that's a good idea. Let's do that. Plows are out. That's good. I'm glad we waited before heading out here. And it's really not even that late. It's 9:30. Later than I like to start my Sunday dive, but not bad. And especially where the weather is what it is, definitely better to wait for the plows. Come on. Something. I really need a new grabber. Nice little pack of napkins. Yeah, I really need a new grabber, you guys. It would really help. I just have not had good luck with the last couple of them that I've had. All right, Zurchers, don't let us down. Another bouncy ball. We got so many of those last week. Looks like there's all kinds of goodies in here. Oh, boy, these lids are heavy, covered in snow. It's like a chair. Some froofy stuff. Some more paper. Gonna have to get the rake to prop this up. I was worried there, guys, and I was afraid even my Zurchers wasn't gonna put out. But oh, it has. This is a box full of costumes. I just got to get it out and then I'll give you a sneak peek. I got out a whole bunch already, but to get the rest of that stuff, I think I actually have to get in. Haven't had to get into a bin in a long time, but look at all those goodies. I think I have to. At this point, honestly, I wonder why I even bother with anywhere else. Zurchers. Zurchers. It's the best. And the thing is, it's just this Zurchers. Because there's a few others that I've checked several times, not today, but that I've checked several times and there's just been nothing. This one, every time I've come to it, it has paid out like big time. Today tons of costumes, all kinds of costumery. Oh my goodness. And a bunch of Halloween cake decorating stuff, Wilton, like icings and sprinkles and other goodies. It's ridiculous and it's fabulous. And my toes are frozen, but oh, I feel so good. I feel so good. It just, blizzard or no blizzard, you guys, we do this. It's what we do. So a quick look, sneak peek at what we found. We've got some cute little shoes. These will fit Mariah. How perfect is that? We've got some Dr. Seuss cartoon eyes, cat accessory set, lips, balloons, some kind of coat. I mean, look at this. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Whatever that is, it's fabulous. Look at that. Anyway, tons of good stuff. Wigs, costume accessories galore, boxes and boxes more. Oh my goodness, I can hardly wait till we get to open all this up and tear into it and show you what we've found. So another cool thing about today's pick is that even though the weather was crazy blizzard down in my neck of the woods, as soon as I came north, things just cleared right up. I mean, my goodness, totally cleared up and have been fantastic. Now, right now, the snow is just starting to hit, and so we're gonna have to deal with that. But I'm on my way home. I'm gonna make a stop at the grocery store, but that's it, and then I'm going home. So hopefully I will leave the snow, the falling snow, up here and go home to bright sunny skies? No, but maybe it won't be snowing at least. One can hope. So I've stopped at Kroger to drop off some recycling and to see if in this mountain of snow there are any of today's ads, because there are really good coupons that are supposed to come out today. And then I'm also going to go in the store and do a bit of shopping. So we made it home. I got the groceries unloaded and put away, so now I can give you just a little look at what we brought home. I don't know what that is. Oh, scary slime. All kinds of sprinkles and tons, oh my goodness, tons of like cake and cookie decorating stuff. Tons of this froofy stuff, which I'm guessing is from inside the bouncy balls. So that's awesome. Gives me a great idea for what to do with the ones that don't light up and are smushed. Hello, take out this stuff and use it in crafts, Easter baskets, gifts, like gift bags and baskets. Holy cow. The possibilities there are endless. Then up front, look at this. Another mermaid tail. This one in the package still. Are you kidding? I don't know what this is, but that print is really fun. More of the froofy stuff. Super scary mask. Ooh. Those napkins. Whole bunch of whoopee cushions. Some birthday party invitations. Other birthday party happy stuff. All kinds of sparkly bits. Tons, you guys. All of this of Halloween costumes and other kinds of costumes. Just, oh my goodness, it's ridiculous. Look at that hat. That's an awesome hat. Anyway, crazy awesome stuff. It has been a marvelous morning. We made it through the blizzard. It was totally worth it. Now, look at that. There's my sunny, shiny skies that I was asking for. How about that? It's fantastic. This was such a good pick. I'm so glad that I went out and faced the snow and the storm. So glad that you guys could come along for the ride. Thank you for all of your support. You are so fantastic. Stay tuned. I am going to get some things done, some homework and whatnot, and then we'll drag all this in the house and we will document all of it and let you guys see what all we found. It's going to be awesome. So please do come on back Until then, have a wonderful day. Happy picking, my frugal friends. Bye-bye.
Please be sure to check the video description for links to our social media accounts. There you'll get exclusive access to pictures and videos of different things that we have going on a daily basis, and you will find out how you can contribute and help support the mission of saving and salvaging. Have a great day, guys.